Hello and welcome to another video. This is a Dyson V6 cordless vacuum and this doesn't work. Now today I'm going to be having a look at it and I'm going to be showing you how to fix the particular problem that I've got. So without further ado, let's have a look. So to start with, I'll give you a little bit of background into what's gone on. Now, we've had problems in the past with this, with the motor pulsing a little bit. Now, that's simply because the filter that goes in the top needed cleaning. But this time, when we tried to use it, click the trigger, nothing happened, except for a blinking red light. Now, this red light actually blinks 32 times. Now, I did a little bit of reading online and I've actually spoken to Dyson themselves, who tell me that it's a battery pack failure. Now, Dyson offered to sell me a battery pack because this is about 6 months out of warranty. So Dyson offered to sell me one for about £65. Now, I personally like to shop around for things like this. I don't always go with genuine parts if it's out of warranty. If they'd have said, oh, it's wear and tear and it needs a replacement part, but it's still in warranty for everything else, then I would get a genuine part. But this time I decided I'm going to save a few pounds and see what a third party one would be like from Amazon. So I had a look around on there and I found a few that were around £26, £27. But in the end, I settled on this. This is a Fluorion 21.6 volt, 3000 milliamp battery. Now the reason that I went for this one is that the battery pack on the original is 2100 milliamp hours. So hopefully it's going to give a little bit longer run time. So let's get the box open and see what's inside. So inside the box you'll get what they call a user manual, which is in English and German. Basically it's just safety rules. There's no information on how to actually change it, but luckily I know already how to do that. So put that down there, don't need that. And you get the battery pack itself. Now comparing the two, you can see they're exactly the same size. The new one's a little bit shinier and it's got Fluorion written there on the base and all the information about the battery pack. So in order to swap the battery over, you need three things. You need a screwdriver. You of course need the new battery, and you need to have taken the bin off the vacuum. Now this is so you can get to the screw, which is under there, and there's another screw which is here. So first thing to do is to undo the screws. So first of all, undo the screw on the back very gently until it won't go any further. So it just falls out into your hand. And then take out the screw here. like so. You want to go gently. Screws together. And then you simply pull it out. Now to fit the new one, just slide it in, fits absolutely fine. Take your screws, just until it's tight enough that it won't go. Go very gently with the screws, don't want to over tighten them. Put that back together. Now for the moment of truth. So there we go. I'll be keeping an eye on this, make sure that I fully charge it. Although with it being a lithium battery, it is probably best to let it drain all the way first and then do a full charge. Let it drain again, do a full charge a few times just to get it working to its full capacity. So I hope this has helped you in some way. If it has, leave a like and a comment down below. I'll leave links in the description below to the third-party battery that I bought and to the official Dyson ones as well. So give this video a like if you liked it. Got loads more videos coming very soon. Best way not to miss any of those is to subscribe below. It doesn't cost a thing. So thanks for watching and I will see you later.